So a lot of people have asked me, can they use apples to heal? And the answer is yes, you can use apples to heal, okay? Apples, the best way to use apples is to go on a mono fruit diet program, which means you eat only apples the whole day, nothing else but apples. You can have apple juice as well. The apple juice has to be fresh, okay? Don't buy the ones in the stores that are pasteurized. So basically you have apples breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or whenever you're hungry. The key factor is that even initially you eat a lot, but as the days go by, you're going to eat less and less because the body gets very efficient and you're cleaning the body. Apples are fantastic to use to clean the body. Very, very good. A lot of fiber, a lot of healing benefits. In fact, the saying, have an apple a day keeps the doctor away, rings very true because they are that powerful. They're not as powerful as citrus fruits, but they are very nurturing and healing. And you have to try it. So try apples, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Try and get herbs. Try to use the herbs. It's very important to add herbs to your fruit protocol, okay?